Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your own music on Triller. So let's start. First, open the Triller app. Just like TikTok, you can easily add your own music on your videos. Now let me show you how you can do that. First, you have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Music Video. At the top of the screen, you will see two tabs. One is Triller Music and another one is My Music. Under Triller Music, there is a library of music are given for you to use. To add your own music, you have to tap on My Music. And you will find all the audio files on your phone here. Now if you want to add your own music, all you have to do is you have to have that audio file on your device. And if you want to use any downloaded audio, then download it first and it will show up here. You can also play the music before using. All you have to do is tap on the play icon. Now to use the music on your video, tap on the audio file. Here you can set the duration. You can also choose the portion of the music you want to use. When you are done, tap on Record Video. And that's how you can add your own music on Triller. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.